So, students, let's start reading. Open your English language textbook and workbook. Textbook page 158 to 156 and workbook PG 138 to 139. Mark day and date. Now let's begin. On page 158 there is a story, Let's Make Music. Now start reading it. The story is about some students who don't have musical instruments. They want to take music lessons but can't buy instruments. They think of a plan. They think to put on a concert. A concert is a music show where singers sing songs and musicians play musical instruments. They think of selling tickets so they can make money to buy instruments. They think of taking help from family and friends. In April they make instruments that they can shake. They use paper rolls and beads. Faye and Oscar are shaking them. Evan and Kate are using jars and candy. In May they practice the instruments. They are also using buckets and pots as drums. War and Dan are striking them. In June, it is the concert night. The tickets keep on selling. People are excited. The band puts on a great show. It is wonderful. I think you've liked the story. Now open the TV page 160. Follow the instructions mentioned on the slide and do the exercises. Open workbook page 138 and start reading. In this story there is a problem for the band. The children are playing instruments but something seems wrong. They keep on wondering and then Harrison tries to find out. He asks Lauren, "Lauren, are you striking the xylophone too loudly?" She says, "No, I'm striking it softly." Harrison then asks Matthew, "Matthew, are you playing the drums fast?" He says, "No, I'm keeping the beat slow." Harrison then asks Louise, "Louise, are you shaking the tambourine slowly?" He says, "No, I'm shaking it fast." Harrison says, "This is the problem, you are fast and Matthew is slow. Now let's keep the beat together." The children then count together and the music sounds lovely. Now open the page 139 of workbook, read the instructions from the slide and complete the exercises. You have just learned a grammatical concept. I hope you understand it well. Now open the workbook page mentioned in the slide.
Present continuous tense.
Mentioned and then start doing the exercises.
Present continuous tense is used for an action or activity going on at the time of speaking. There are 4 types of sentences under this tense. 1. Statement sentences. 2. Interrogative sentences. 3. Negative sentences. 4. Interrogative negative sentences. 1. Statement sentences. It is formed by the subject followed by is, am, are and verb ing form. Form subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing form. Examples: I am reading. We are singing. He or she is standing. You are playing. They are sitting. Present continuous interrogative sentence. It is formed by is, am, are, followed by the subject and the verb using ing. Form is, am, are plus subject plus verb with ing plus the activity. Examples: Am I reading? Are we singing? Is he or she standing? Are you playing? Are they sitting? Present continuous negative sentence. It is formed by the subject followed by is not, am not, are not, and the verb ing. Form subject plus is not, am not, are not, plus verb using ing form. Examples: I am not reading. We are not singing. You are not playing. She is not standing. They are not sitting. Present continuous interrogative and negative sentences. They are formed by is not, am not, are not, followed by subject and verb in the form ing. Form is, am, are, plus not, plus subject, plus verb ing. Examples: am not I reading? Aren't we singing? Isn't he or she standing? Aren't you playing? Aren't they sitting?
You have just learned a grammatical concept. I hope you understand it well. Now open the workbook page mentioned in the slide. Follow the instructions mentioned and then start doing the exercises. Open the textbook and workbook pages and start doing the exercises as instructed in the slides. I know you can do them.
I am thinking about cats. I'm thinking about cats. The cat does not like the ball. The cat doesn't like the ball. Where is the cat? There is the cat.
Boo.
Where's the cat? There's the cat.
Let us review.
I am, I'm. Does not, doesn't. Where is, where's. There is, there's.
I hope that you've understood very well the concept of contractions. Now open the textbook and workbook pages and start doing the exercises. You have been given instructions in the slides. It is the time for review. You have already read the concepts and know them very well. Now do these pages on your own. All the best.